Alright guys, it is time for eyeshadow! I've been filming a lot. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little crazy. Alright guys, so I've already primed my eyes in my, I think my second video of this series. I put concealer on my eyelids. So they're sort of already primed. You just want them a little sticky so that the powder sticks to the eyelid and it just makes it stay longer, and I think it makes the color more vibrant. So in this video I'm going to be using 25A Copper Spice Morphe palette. So we're going to be going into this palette today and be using a bunch of eyeshadow brushes. You only really need 3 to 4 brushes, and I'll show you kind of what you need. Surprisingly, I grabbed 3 Morphe brushes, so that's pretty funny. So basically some brushes that I would recommend getting. So I would get sort of like a flat brush like this guy, or maybe like that. I mean, these are going to be good for just applying your transition shade just kind of all over the base of your eyelid. Also, this could be used as a blending brush at the end. So these are really good for that. The next is a crease brush. This is kind of more of a tapered. This is my most favorite brush. It's just amazing. Alright, and then also this is very similar to the blending and these brushes here. And I just use this. It's kind of stiffer at the top and it's more flat. This is more I use for the outer corner for darker shades. And a liner brush. It's squared. It can also be angled, but it's just a flat brush. And this is good if you're lazy and don't want to put on liquid eyeliner or anything, but you can just take powder and put this on as eyeliner, so that's really good. And then using a smaller brush, this is good for highlighting even in the inner corner of the eye or on the brow bone. So you only really need 4 or 5 of these brushes. But yes, these are the brushes I'm using today, and as I said, the Morphe palette. So I'm gonna first start with the Morphe brush here, and I'm going to be going in. This I think is the hardest part about eyeshadow. Which color do you use? Because there's so many. I think I'm gonna go into this more yellowy color. So that is my little reference sheet here, Sand Dollar. All right, and then you're just gonna put this all over your eyelid here. So it may not look like this is doing anything, and it honestly may not be doing anything. I think it helps with blending colors. That's mainly why I do it. So next I'm gonna be using my favorite brush. So this is a crease brush. This is gonna help with the transition shades. That's where you're gonna be focusing the color, and depending on what kind of look you're going for, you can have it more in the outer corner, or you can have it the entire crease. And then also you want to bring it down here a little bit. That's kind of my go-to look. So light here and then get darker. So it's kind of like a natural smoky eye, if that makes sense. I'm going to be going in to this color here, and this is Light, L-I-T. All right, I'm just gonna be going into Light. I don't like the word lit. It just, oh yeah. I think I'm gonna focus this in the outer corner of my eye here, kind of just working it up a little towards my brow here. If you have a hard time keeping the color in this part of your eye, you can always put Scotch tape here, or just like keep doing this, making sure that you don't cross that line. It starts to look a little muddy and not good looking. Alright, so next what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to use this brush actually again, go over to this color, and this is Chase. That's my middle name. Love that color. Alright, so a little bit of Chase, and this we're going to strictly keep in the outer corner of our eye here, and a little bit into the crease there. Alright guys, now I'm going to be going into this flatter brush, and this is for my darker color, and I think I'm going to be using, I think we're going to be going into this color here. This is Destination, and this we're going to just pat in the outer corner, kind of blending all the colors together. Alright, so now what we're going to be doing is go into just a little fluffy brush here and just blend all of it together. Just gonna keep doing it until it looks like one color just transitioning into the next. Alright, so yeah, something like that. So we're gonna be going into this color. This is Brass. So we're going into Brass here, and I'm gonna pat this on my eyelid, just kind of all over. I'm going to be going back into my highlighter. If you guys didn't watch my 2 videos ago or something like that, I used this highlighter here, and this is by Ciate London, and this is in Moon Dust. And this is where I'm going to take that pencil brush here. I'm just going to put this on the inner corner of my eye and the brow bone. And this is gonna just help draw attention to your eye. So another thing that you can do is basically copy this on the bottom lash line here. So you would take that dark color here and then the more neutral transition shade in your highlight right here. So I'm just gonna go into this. This was the destination color. Just put a little bit there. And you're just gonna put this on the lower lash line. Anyways guys, I think that's our final look for the eyeshadow. Make sure to check out my next video. It's going to talk all about eyeliner. So if you're interested in that video, go ahead and check that out. I hope you liked this video. I really appreciate you watching it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up too if you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!